Very good evening to all of you. Welcome to my channel Techno Pro. Today we are going to do the unboxing of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z2. So this is the one I have purchased it from Flipkart. This is the retail unit. So let me remove this. This is the box they are giving. I have taken the um, what is it called, beam blue. You can see the color beam blue. And what is the MRP? 2299. That is the maximum retail price. What they are giving one charger, one USB cable, one contain one OnePlus Bullet Z2, one charging cable, one manual guide and safety and warranty card, four ER caps, one red cable club welcome card. That's all they are giving. And this is the blue one. They have a three variant: blue, red and black. Okay, and weight is 26.65 gram. And it was the month and year of manufacture is July 2022. Country is China. Color is beam blue. Model number is E035A. Okay, so let's open this. We will see how it looks. This is what it looks. So this is the headphone. Let me remove this. Actually, this is very soft. You can see this is very soft. So lightweight and very soft. You have a three buttons. You can see you have three buttons, and other side they have written the tagging of OnePlus. They have written the tagging of OnePlus, and three button. One is the plus button, minus button, and the call, connect and disconnect button, the middle one, and that the microphone. And this is the type C cable point, the type C port. So here you can use that. Okay, apart from this, what else they are providing? They have given one. They are claiming charge for 10 minutes, enjoy for 20 hours. So we will see that also, whether actually whatever they are claiming is that the correct one or not. So what are the things they are giving? They are giving the cable. This is the type C cable, USB to type C. This is the USB, and this is the type C cable, and the red cable club card. And this is the type C cable they have given. And this is the port. So here you can connect it, and you need a adapter, so connect that. And now let me show you how to connect with the phone. So let me connect to your phone. Let me switch on the Bluetooth. Oh, you need to do a pairing. You should be able to see OnePlus Bluetooth Wireless Z2. If you keep this, allow access, pair, and it got connected and showing 90% battery. So this is how you can connect your device to the USB, the Bluetooth headphone, and then you can use it. This is the up, volume up key, this is the down key, and this is the This is the power button. You can cut the call, you can switch on the call. So let me show you by doing this. Let me create a call. Let me show you. Let me put up a call, and if I use this key button, the call is going. Use the key button, call is getting disconnected. You see, call got disconnected. You can use the volume up key, arrow key, and this functionality is working fine. So that's all from this unboxing devices. I will do the full review after few days. Let me use it for a couple of days and I'll give you the full review. And this is very soft. You can bend it like anything. You can put it in the neck. There is no pain actually. This is very lightweight, so you don't need to feel like heavy in your neck actually. Okay, so and this is having the noise cancellation, and they have given the branding of this OnePlus. So this particular beam is false, actually just having the OnePlus branding, nothing else, and the other one will have all the functionality. So this is the indicator, and this is the USB K port type, and this is the microphone. So and they said that they have the inbuilt ANC, active noise cancellation, and so I have to do these checks actually and then come back to you guys. So that's all from the unboxing video. I hope you like this video. Then please subscribe to my channel and like it. We hope to see you in next video. Thank you.